Clip 343, which is algebraic direct proportion. So this is the first part of the section on algebraic proportion. So this one's just the formulas. Then the next one, 344, is using numbers, and then after that is involving inverse proportion. So the key thing to start off with is, if I said y equals 2x, that means if I take x and times it by 2, I get y. If I said I work for so many hours and I get an hourly rate, a certain amount of money per hour, that would give me my wages for a week or a month. So I could say that's W. And let's say I work for 5 hours at £10 an hour, I would get a wage of £50. So I could use letters to correspond to these. W equals HR. Now if you link it with this top one, which one of these is going to stay the same? In other words, is constant. So the rate will stay constant, the number of hours will change. Just as in this one, the x will change and therefore change the y. So in this one, the rate is the constant. Okay, so in most of the algebra questions you're going to come to, there's this something called a constant of proportionality. And that we use generally as k. So if I wanted to say y is proportional to x, you'd say y, and then this symbol means the constant of proportionality, x. And we can then write y equals kx. So this is the most important thing for direct proportion. So if I wanted to write y is proportional to x, start with y equals something lots of x, and we use this k, so kx. Now you may see y, this symbol, which I call a fish symbol, x. That means y is proportional to x. So we'll start the next one using the same thing. Y is proportional to root x. Y is proportional to root x, which means that y equals k times root x. So that's the formula that you're going to write in. Next one, y is proportional to x cubed. Therefore, y equals k x cubed. So remember, k is just a number that is a constant. That's called the constant of proportionality. So all the questions on clip 343 involve the red questions.